There's one number printed on almost every cheap projector box that's basically a lie. Under $100, brands use it to make their projector sound twice as good as it really is. And once you know what it is, you can walk past 90% of these listings without a second thought. So let me show you the number, the two things that actually matter instead, and the one projector under 100 that survives all of it. The number is resolution. A box will say 1080p, sometimes even 4K in big letters. Look closer and you'll usually find a smaller word next to it, supported. That is not what it puts on your wall. That's just the signal it can accept before squashing it down to whatever its real panel is, which is often far lower. So rule 1, ignore the big number and find the word native. That is the only resolution that's real. Two more things decide whether a cheap projector is usable or a daily headache. The first is whether it corrects its own picture. Cheaper models make you square up a crooked, leaning image by hand through a clunky menu every single time you move it, and it's never quite straight. The good ones level themselves automatically. The second is whether there's anything inside it at all. A lot of these are just a lamp. No apps, no Netflix, no YouTube, so you're forced to plug in a separate stick or a laptop just to watch something. So that's your whole checklist under $100. Real native resolution, a self-correcting picture, and streaming built in. Run the listings through those three, and the pile gets very small, very fast. The one that kept surviving that checklist for me was the Simplify Tech CineX, the 720p model. Native 720p, not a fake number. It levels its own picture the moment you set it down, and Netflix, YouTube, and Prime are already inside it, so it works on its own. Here's what that's like to live with. It's small enough to sit in your palm. You put it on a nightstand, point it at the wall or straight up at the ceiling, and a picture up to 120 inches appears. No cables, no setup ritual. Your phone connects wirelessly in about 10 seconds. Lights off. You lie back, and you're watching a film the size of your whole wall from something smaller than a soda can. That's the part the bad ones can never give you, no matter how big the number on their box is. Now let me save the wrong person some money. If you want to watch the game at 2 in the afternoon with the curtains open and the sun pouring in, this isn't for you. And honestly, nothing at this price is. Projectors at $100 are built for the dark. That's not a flaw they're hiding from you. It's just the physics of a small, affordable light. So the real condition is simple: a dark or dim room. Evenings, nights, blinds drawn. In that room, sitting a few feet back, your eye genuinely cannot tell 720p from anything sharper. You're watching the movie, not counting pixels. One more honest note: the built-in speaker is fine for one person in a quiet room. If two of you are watching, connect a Bluetooth speaker. It pairs in seconds, and it's worth doing. For a first projector, a dorm, a bedroom, a renter who can't put a single hole in the wall, this is the one I'd point you to under $100. It does the three things that matter, and it skips the lie the others are built on. If you want to look at it, it's the Simplify Tech CineX at simplifytech.shop. Links in the description. It ships worldwide for free, comes with a 6-month warranty, and if it isn't what you just saw here, you send it back, no questions asked. Subscribe if this was useful, I keep these honest.